U.S. President Joe Biden, who is fiercely proud of his Irish heritage, spent just over a half a day in the province where he met British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak before traveling south to the Irish Republic for 2.5 days of speeches and meetings with officials and distant relatives. The brief Belfast stop comes against the backdrop of the latest political stalemate in which the devolved power-sharing government, a key part of the 1998 peace deal, has not met for more than a year because of a row about post-Brexit trade arrangements. Biden spoke at the new Ulster University campus in Belfast, telling the audience that preserving peace in Northern Ireland is a priority for both Democrats and Republicans in the United States.
Those of you who've been to America know that there is a large population that is invested in what happens here, that cares a great deal about what happens here. Supporting the people of Northern Ireland, protecting the peace, preserving the Belfast Good Friday Agreement is a priority for Democrats and Republicans alike in the United States, and that is unusual today because we've been very divided on our parties. This is something that brings Washington together. It brings America together. Peace and economic opportunity go together. Peace and economic opportunity go together. In the 25 years since the Good Friday Agreement, Northern Ireland's gross domestic product has literally doubled. Doubled. And I predict to you, if things continue to move in the right direction, it will more than triple. There are scores of major American corporations wanting to come here, wanting to invest. Many have already made homes in Northern Ireland, employing over 30,000 people.
Biden said the recent Windsor Framework deal between the European Union and the UK to ease post-Brexit trade barriers between Northern Ireland and the rest of the United Kingdom offer the stability and predictability to encourage greater investment.
Now, I know the UK's departure from the European Union created complex challenges here in Northern Ireland. And I encourage the leaders of the UK and the EU to address the issues in a way that serve Northern Ireland's best interest. I deeply appreciate the personal leadership of Prime Minister Sunak and European Commissioner von der Leyen to reach an agreement. The Windsor Framework addresses the practical realities of Brexit and it's an essential step to ensuring hard-earned peace and progress to the Good Friday Agreements, that they're preserved and strengthened.
President Joe Biden will address the Irish Parliament tomorrow.